Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to exit the safe mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. You have pretty much two ways to turn off and exit the safe mode. The first one is by opening notifications, and you should have the notification that the safe mode is enabled. And you can tap over here in order to turn off the safe mode. You can tap on the notification in order to turn it off, and then your device should restart and go to the safe mode. It will exit the safe mode. If you don't have the notification for some reason, what you can do is instead go to the quick access and you want to restart your device. So once you open the power menu, you can either open the power menu by using the quick access. So once again, you can open notifications and then quick access like that, and you have the power button, or you can press and hold the power button and volume down button for a second or two until the power menu appears. Simply restart the tablet, and this time when the tablet turns on, you will exit the safe mode. You will be in the normal mode. Of course, you don't have to press the power button or anything like that, since we are restarting, not powering off. So we should be back into the normal mode once the device turns itself back on. So let's see, we have the Android logo, and as you can see, there is no information about the safe mode anymore. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!